See what you got. So CSX, both CSX Elephant style. Alright, 216-04 I think it was.
Q216-04 3029. East 2, medium clear, Point of Rocks.
And now this is my last train. It's 4 o'clock now. You know, I've been here almost 12 hours. See, it's been almost 11 hours since I've been here. Time, 10 hours and 15 minutes I've been here already. Been here since 6:45 this morning, 6:45 a.m.
CSX Q216-04 3029, East 1 clear, East Rocks.
Oh. 6:45. Let's see. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, it's over 9 hours. It's almost 10 hours, okay. Hang on, let's see. Well, it's about roughly 10 hours, roughly. May take about a minute somewhere. I'm shot. I gotta get home before I get too many idiots out of the road. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. 2 to 1.